friends. Let me tell you a story about some amazing kids just like you. Meet the Tiny Heroes Big Dreams crew. These are kids with hearts full of courage and dreams shining bright. First, there's Maya. She's small, but she's got a big heart. Maya dreams of becoming a scientist. She loves mixing up potions and doing cool experiments. One day she made a volcano explode with just baking soda and vinegar. Everyone said, "Wow, Maya, you can do anything you set your mind to." Then there's Jamal. He's a little guy with a huge love for music. Jamal wants to be a famous drummer. He practices every day tapping on pots and pans. His beats are so good, he even got to play at his school talent show. Jamal learned that with hard work and passion, he could do anything he set his mind to. Next up, meet Alia. She's a tiny artist with a big dream of painting murals. Her colors are bright and her imagination is wild. Alia once painted a whole wall in her neighborhood with a beautiful rainbow. The grown-ups couldn't believe their eyes. Alia showed everyone that creativity can make dreams come true. And finally, there's Elijah. He's small but super strong. He dreams of being a superhero and helping people everywhere. Elijah always helps out his friends and family, lifting heavy bags and giving big hugs. He knows that kindness and strength can make a real difference. So remember, kids, no matter how small you are, you can achieve big dreams. Just like Maya, Jamal, Alia, and Elijah, you can do anything you set your mind to, because you are all tiny heroes with big dreams. Thanks for listening, friends. Keep dreaming big. Remember to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.